Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we bring you the latest electric vehicle news and reviews from around the world. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're counting down the top 5 EVs that made a splash at the New York Auto Show 2025. First up, we have the Lucid Gravity, an all-electric 3-row, full-sized SUV that's set to make waves in the luxury segment. With seating for up to 7 adults, this vehicle is perfect for families or road trips with friends and family. But what really sets it apart is its unique trunk design. It can be converted into a cushioned seat, providing ample storage and comfort on long journeys. And let's not forget that stunning ultra-wide panoramic display and glass-covered roof, making every drive feel like a luxury experience. Now, I know what you're thinking: electric vehicles are all about range anxiety. But don't worry, the Lucid Gravity has an impressive EPA-estimated range of 724 km, making it one of the longest-range EVs on the market. And with its minimalist design, this vehicle is not only practical, but also stylish and sophisticated. Next up, we have the Kia EV4 sedan, a compact and manageable size that packs a punch when it comes to electric powertrain tech. The EV4 GT line boasts an 81.4 kWh battery and an EPA-rated range of 531 km, making it perfect for daily commutes or long road trips. And with its interior design inspired by the larger Kia EV9, you can expect sleek lines and premium materials throughout. But what really caught our attention was the ambient lighting and center armrest aesthetics on this model's subtle touches that elevate the driving experience to new heights. Plus, with the power of an electric vehicle, the Kia EV4 is both fun to drive and environmentally friendly.